Welcome to Sanskrit.com. This is lesson 10. In lesson 9, we looked at pronouns, relatives, and numerals. In this lesson, lesson 10, we will look at the optative and imperative conjugations of thematic verbs. The imperative mode or mood is used to indicate a command or injunction, while the optative mode is used to indicate a wish or desire. The optative mode is also called the potential mode. It is called ling by the Sanskrit grammarians. Though the primary usage is for expressing a wish, it is used in various other contexts like light order, less forceful than imperative, invitation, giving permission, etc. It is also used in subordinate clauses. The real wish aspect of the optative comes out in the first person. In other uses, in many a case, the optative can be used interchangeably with the imperative. The optative mode has a special mode sign E. The optative endings are added to the stem to which the optative mode sign has been added. For thematic verbs, the mode sign E, when combined with the final R of the thematic stems, produces an A as the ending of the optative stem. Note that the mode sign for athematic verbs is different. We will look at this in a later lesson when we deal with athematic verbs. As an example, let us take the optative active third person singular of class 1 thematic root bhu. Bhu, when gunated, gives bho. You add the thematic ending a, you get bhava. Then you add the mode sign e to get bhave. Then you add the ending t to get bhavet. Similarly, you can form the other persons and numbers. The personal endings for optative active and middle for thematic verbs are given here. A full conjugation for the verb bhu is given here. The active voice is on the top line and the middle in the bottom line. Some examples of the usage of the optative are given here. The imperative mode or mood is called lot by the Sanskrit grammarians. The primary use of the imperative is a command or injunction. It is also used in many other senses like entreaty, gentle advice, benediction, etc. The real command aspect of the imperative comes out in the second person. In other uses, in many a case, the optative can be used interchangeably with the imperative. The imperative has no mode sign. The imperative endings are directly added to the tense stem. So the imperative conjugation of thematic verbs is formed thus: may be modified root plus thematic ending a plus imperative personal endings. As an example, let us take the imperative active third person singular of class 1 thematic root bhu. Bhu, when gunated, gives bho. When the thematic ending a is added, it gives bhava. Then the imperative ending tu is added to give bhavatu. Similarly, you can form other persons and numbers. The personal endings for the imperative active and middle for thematic verbs are given here. This is the full conjugation for the verb bhu. The active voice is on the top line and the middle in the bottom line. Here are some examples of the usage of the imperative. This is the end of lesson 10. In this lesson, we looked at the optative and imperative conjugations of thematic verbs.